Embark on a journey of culinary elegance with our latest YouTube video exploring baker's rack and tall unit design ideas. Discover a world where functionality meets style as we delve into innovative designs that transform your kitchen into a haven of organization and sophistication. From chic baker's racks that seamlessly blend storage and display to tall units that optimize vertical space, this video unveils creative solutions for every kitchen enthusiast. Join us as we showcase unique designs, clever storage options, and aesthetic elements that redefine the heart of your home. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay on the cutting edge of kitchen design. Let's elevate your culinary space to new heights with these inspiring baker's rack and tall unit ideas. Because your kitchen deserves to be a masterpiece of both form and function.
Create a functional and stylish kitchen with baker's rack, metal and wood fusion. Option for baker's rack that combines metal and wood elements for a rustic yet contemporary look. The metal frame provides stability, while wooden shelves add warmth and character. This design is both practical and visually appealing. Multi-tiered organization. Choose a baker's rack with multiple tiers to maximize storage and display options. Use the lower shelves for larger kitchen appliances and the upper ones for displaying decorative items or storing smaller essentials. Wine and dine rack. Select a baker's rack with built-in wine storage. This functional feature not only saves space but also adds a touch of sophistication. Combine wine rack with open shelves for a versatile storage solution. Compact and foldable. For smaller kitchen, consider a compact and foldable baker's rack. Look for one with adjustable shelves and foldable sides that can be expanded when needed. This design is perfect for optimizing space in a limited kitchen area. Industrial charm. Embrace an industrial aesthetic with the baker's rack featuring metal pipes and reclaimed wood. This design adds an urban and trendy feel to your kitchen while providing ample storage for your culinary essentials. Tall unit design for your kitchen. Maximize vertical space with the tall unit in your kitchen. Pantry paradise. Convert a tall unit into a pantry with pull-out shelves and adjustable racks. This design allows for efficient organization of dry goods, spices, and canned items while keeping everything easily accessible. Integrated appliances. Option for a tall unit that integrates kitchen appliances like ovens and microwaves. This seamless design not only saves space but also creates a sleek and modern kitchen aesthetic. Glass front cabinets. Use a tall unit with glass front cabinets to showcase your stylish dinnerware and kitchen essentials. Incorporate internal lighting to highlight your collection and add a touch of sophistication. Pull-out pantry. Install a tall unit with pull-out pantry shelves for easy access to items stored in the back. This design maximizes the storage space and ensures that no space goes unused. Appliance garage. Create an appliance garage within a tall unit to keep countertop appliances like mixers and blenders neatly tucked away. This design maintains a clutter-free kitchen surface while providing easy access when needed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.